For months and months, whenever we start making progress against the coronavirus, medical experts have reminded us,
I would not begin to suggest that we're out of the woods.
We're not out of the woods yet.
We're not out of the woods yet.
we get it. We're not there yet, but are we getting close? Since the height of the pandemic, daily infections have dropped more than 90%.
Well, 4 months ago, we would have just done anything to imagine we were going to see numbers as good as we're seeing right now. But, we're still, we're seeing deaths every day in Alabama.
So how will we know we've made it? We asked State Health Officer Dr. Scott Harris to give us a daily infection goal.
We'd probably have less than 100 cases a day new. We'd probably have less than 100 people in the hospital.
UAB epidemiologist Dr. Suzanne Judd feels the imaginary pandemic finish line is even closer.
What is that level, in your opinion?
That's a great question. So lately I've been saying it's about 200 cases a day and 200 hospitalizations.
As of this morning, Alabama is averaging 214 daily infections, and we had 287 hospitalized with COVID-19, both within striking distance.
A lot of epidemiologists, when they say go back to normal, they mean 0 cases. And I think that's really unfair. That's not going to happen.
For months, medical officials have warned us about possible future COVID-19 infection surges. But fortunately, significant spikes after spring break, Easter, and the expiration of the statewide mask mandate never materialized. Dr. Judd says our surge chances are growing less and less likely. She believes only 2 scenarios could possibly cause another major jump. One would be a new vaccine-proof variant.
The other is if all of the unvaccinated people got together and threw a big party and a couple of folks had COVID and they wound up sick. The likelihood of that is so low. I really think we're at a place now that we probably won't see another surge in Alabama.
Of course, only a fourth of Alabamians are fully vaccinated right now, a long way from the recommended 70% to reach herd immunity.
It would be just great if we could get to 70% vaccinated. That would all make us go, whew, okay, we made it.
We made it. We're there.
We're there.
And now, at least from an infection perspective, we have a better general roadmap to get there. John Papke, WVTM 13, investigates.